Alright, so today we got something quite unique. I found this at a yard sale over the weekend. This is a Language Master made by Eiki. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but anyway, made in Japan. Thought this would be an interesting little thing to go over. I did test this already, and it appears that there's something wrong with the belt drive. Not 100% sure. That's what we're doing this video for today. But I figured I'd unbox this for you guys so you could see what I see and how it was when I bought it. I was absolutely thrown away by this. So let's check this out today. Oh my, look at those goodies, guys. Let's pull the Language Master out. We'll go over that in just a second. The original documentation. Looks like these are like the original worksheets that you would have probably photocopied. I mean, I'm not sure. Then we have the book for the machine here. You guys can pause this if you need to see this book. I can say I've never seen one of these so complete out in the wild. I seen one of you popular YouTubers going over this machine, running floppy disks and all kinds of stuff through it, and that's honestly how I learned what the machine was. I had no idea otherwise. So that's the manual. I'm not quite sure why there's a phone cord in here. Probably won't be after I'm done with it. Anybody has an idea, let me know. Original power supply. Get that end down there for you. Probably a little blurry, sorry. And then we got the cards. So I noticed this is a pack of blank cards. Factory package of blank cards. Now, I don't know if they're blank, because I couldn't get the machine to talk to me. But, we'll see. And then there's a bunch of other cards in here. Pretty cool, guys. I'm getting into this YouTube thing. I'm not set up for it. I'm new. I got a just a camera on a mount right now, so please bear with me. If you would like to see more of these videos, let me know, and call the doctor. I can't wait to hear some of these. Spray the trees, Bill. Casey, sit. I wonder if this was a family that's like learning how to interact with each other. Vivian. Call the doctor again. So those appear to be handmade ones. Here's the warranty card. Oh, there's the information on who bought it. In 2001. Probably have to blur that information out. And then we have some more cards. So I think Milford Heights, that must be like pretty local or something. Prime rib rare. Pull all the handmade ones out of here and we'll make this a set. The deer listens, huh? I never heard of a deer that listens. Donkey sits. The children shout. Might keep that one. Bob. These are in really super nice condition. Alright, so the puppy. Oh, that must have been a blank factory one. This is different than that blank factory one. So, just so you guys get a little history of me, I'm an eBay seller. I sell on eBay, and this is what I do to get things ready. Pretty sure those are out factory. This thing came with a whole lot of cards. Oop. And here is the machine. This thing is so crispy. It is like brand new. Sorry, my light is playing tricks with it because it is so shiny. But we get to take it apart because it's not working. We'll plug it in first so you see what's going on. So here's the issue. When you put the card in, nothing. Oh, it's a female voice that says the name. That's wild. Alright, now we're going to take this apart. Alright, we got all the screws out. Let's pop the back off. Pretty simple setup. Don't know if anybody's seen the inside of one of these, but we do today. I'm not going to take it completely apart. But I did find that the motor was seized from not being used in 20 years, and we unseized it, and everything's working fine. This belt is actually very, very good. I don't see any issues with that. So we're going to leave it as is. But, yeah. That is the inside of the Language Master LM-1. Alright, we now have the unit reassembled. So we're going to go through and we're going to play a couple of these cards. And just to see how this works, make sure everything's working good, and go from there. Here's the teacher side of the Donkey Sits card.
The donkey sits.
And here's the student side.
The donkey sits.
Looks like it's a factory card. The student and teacher side are both the same.
The donkey sits.
Alright. And let's try The Neighbor Runs.
The neighbor runs.
Student side.
The neighbor runs.
As you see, it works just fine. Let's grab one of these blank cards. First, we'll check it and see if there's anything on it. Nothing. Nothing. Let's record something. How are you today? Today is the year 2022.
How are you today? Today is the year 2022.
The year is 2022. Our president sucks.
The year is 2022. Our president sucks. The year is 2022. Our president sucks.
Student side. What's up, everybody? How is the world?
What's up, everybody? How is the world?
Boom. Done. As you see, that is the working condition of the language master unit. Enjoy.